Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Dr. Animesh Mishra ubulang ukli do jongkatnat cardiology jongkat Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences ulaong bakatnat jong kalong kabalak kloy ban pedang ya kanu jing toket halor ka jing keno kabadang shen jong director ke institute hak jing kran bigila pathai khobor hak sautrik yayong arajar khat khandai Dr. Mishra ulay thu bakatnat cardiology kala dep haru da ka sithi shiki bor badai khmi bakin thong ya kanu jing toket bahapo bat banashabaru kumjo ha ukurwo balapha da PRO jong ka institute Dr. KK Pandita Kibor penyai kila keno bo head of department katnat cardiology uladon keti sop bat kinong dia dawai simet bandi usten hakador ke barembha watla kadon ke jingbu dor jang ministry Dr. Pandita ulaong bo director ke Negrims ha ke jingat hospital ha ke laipo terik wiayong ula shem bo we nong dia dawai ula kit ikapala badap dikisten bat peacemaker bat yat bed syakat lab But nakaliang ka Negrims kalapha to kit how chief security officer ban how chief vigilance officer ka Negrims ubrashim khya ya ka jingkhayu tu hapo hospital but le thok ya kinong pang daw ni nong de dawai ringkat ka jingarap jong teu head jong katnat cardiology habakan ta yakini ka jingkno Dr. Mishra loong bawdon ka jinget peskham halade but shimla don weiru unong pang ubrale operation persha ya ka kendon balabo da ka National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority NPPA uni doktor lakhot ru ya kinong pang na jila Meghalaya bat ki jila jo than chatai lam ingi bakin ai da ka jing ujor la ki sham bakatnat cardiology kalapan khen ya ki kendon
we have full trust and faith in the different mechanisms of government of India to sort out the problem. However, as you all understand that doctor operates to the patient or make a consultation under a tacit contract. Doctor-patient relationship is a tacit contract, means it is an unsaid contract. And therefore, faith and trust, the two things, they are the foundation of a good doctor-patient relationship. Our image has been tarnished in such a manner that it has become difficult for us to interact and make consultation to the patients. Therefore, this press conference is an only effort to restore our prestige of the department as an operator for the patients who are coming to this institute, not only from the entire northeastern India, but also from the entire eastern India and as well as from the patient from abroad. We have received notifications from the External Affairs Ministry in the past. We have received informations from the state government that Meghalaya is going to be a center for medical tourism, and therefore it becomes more imperative to clarify our stand as a doctor that whatever has come out has got no substance as far as our personal integrity is concerned. Opinions here made are the opinions of the doctors as a doctor, and this opinion does not have any relation to the opinions of the institute. And therefore I invite you all to speak any specific questions and help me to give a reply which only stands to clarify our status as a doctor. So I have the understanding about this notification. Now the prices of the stents here mentioned is 29,600 in 2017 notification, and some structure changes has come. Now I invite all the public of the northeastern India and Meghalaya and eastern India and from abroad that if any stent been placed on a single patient where this guideline has been flouted and where we have signed for the reimbursement, I take the full onus for the detachment or going away from the price structure reproduced by the NPPA.